We're at the National Hardware Show showing you some of the cool stuff at this year's show, and right now we're at the Leon Boots Company booth, and these are incredibly lightweight boots. I mean, so you look at this and you think, okay, it's a typical weight of a rubber boot. Not even close. These are incredibly lightweight, made out of a very special material that makes them lightweight but yet durable, and you can remove the liners so you can wash them out. Crazy lightweight. Way lighter than anything I have ever seen in a work boot like that. So they've got different styles and different colors and different uses and what have you. Just have a whole variety. But the incredible part is the Leon boots are incredibly lightweight. We're going to put a link in the description so you can go check these out online. But we were walking by and I thought, well, I'm going to see exactly how light they are. Yeah, when it says ultralight boots, they aren't kidding. These are incredibly light. So if you want some lightweight boots that are going to last you a while, this is definitely something you want to check out. You can go to leonbootsco.com, and again, we'll put the links in the description below.